The gaming industry is constantly evolving, and artificial intelligence is playing a bigger role than ever. AI-driven games are no longer a futuristic concept. They are here, and they're changing the way we play. In this video, we'll explore what AI-driven games are all about, how they work, and what they mean for the future of interactive entertainment. Part 1. What are AI-driven games? AI-driven games are video games that use artificial intelligence to create a more dynamic and immersive gaming experience. This can include anything from AI-controlled opponents that learn and adapt to your playing style to AI-generated storylines and environments. Part 2. How does AI enhance gameplay? AI can enhance gameplay in a variety of ways. It can make opponents more challenging and realistic, create more believable and engaging characters, and even generate entire game worlds. This leads to a more immersive and personalized gaming experience. Part 3. AI-powered opponents. One of the most common applications of AI in games is in creating AI-powered opponents. These opponents are no longer predictable and easy to defeat. They learn from your playing style and adapt their strategies accordingly, providing a more challenging and rewarding experience. Part 4. Dynamic storylines. AI can also be used to create dynamic storylines that evolve based on your choices and actions in the game. This means that no two playthroughs are ever the same, offering players endless replayability and a truly personalized gaming experience. Part 5. AI-generated worlds. Imagine a game world that is not pre-designed but is generated by AI in real time. This is the power of AI-generated worlds. These worlds can be vast and endlessly explorable, offering players a truly unique and immersive experience. Part 6. The benefits of AI-driven games. AI-driven games offer a number of benefits, including increased replayability, more personalized experiences, and the potential for emergent gameplay. This means that players are constantly surprised and engaged, leading to a more immersive and enjoyable gaming experience. Part 7. The challenges of AI game development. Developing AI-driven games is not without its challenges. Creating AI that can generate compelling storylines and characters is a complex task, and ensuring that the game is balanced and fair can be difficult. Part 8. The future of AI in gaming. The future of AI in gaming is bright. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and immersive gaming experiences. AI could even lead to the creation of entirely new genres of games that we can't even imagine today. Part 9. The impact on the gaming industry. AI is rapidly transforming the gaming industry. As AI becomes more prevalent in games, we can expect to see a shift in the way games are developed, marketed, and played. Part 10. The ethical considerations of AI in gaming. As with any powerful technology, there are ethical considerations to be addressed when it comes to AI in gaming. Ensuring that AI is used responsibly and that games are fair and balanced is crucial.